Good morning, students. Welcome to my social science class. And today we are going to start a new chapter from your social science book. The chapter name is The Coastal Plain and the Island. So all of you take your books and be ready. So let's go to start our social science class. So today we discuss about the chapter 6 from your social science book, The Coastal Plains and the Island. So the coastal plain are narrow strips of fertile land that lie between the western and eastern Ghat and the sea also. So coastal plain is lie between the western and eastern Ghat and the sea. A coast is a place where water of the sea meets the land. So what is a coast? So you say that a coast is a place. এটা এখন ঠাই হয় where water of the sea meets the land. য'ৰ সাগৰৰ পানীবিলাক ক'ত সংযোজিত হৈ থাকে মাটিৰ লগত, তাকে কি বুলি কয়? coast বুলি কোৱা যায়. So a pitch of land that is surrounded by water on three sides is known as peninsula. So all round the peninsula lies the coast. So peninsula কি place হয় য'ত a pitch of land এটুকুৰা ঠাই হয় যিটুকুৰাক মানে কি হয় তিনি ঠাইৰ পৰা আগুৰি আছে, তিনিটা সাইডৰ পৰা, three sides. So all round the peninsula lies the coast. So peninsula সেই coastটোক আগুৰি আছে. There is the Arabian Sea on the west. Arabian Sea ক'ত থাকে westত, and the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Indian Ocean on the south. So you remember that Arabian Sea is on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east and the Indian Ocean on the south. So now the coastal plain are divided into two types. First one, western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains is an area between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea on the west. And eastern coastal plain is an area between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal on the east. So western coastal plain কি হয়, এটা এৰিয়া হয় যিটো কিহৰ মাজত থাকে western Ghat and Arabian Sea য'ত west থাকে তাৰ মাজত থাকে. And eastern coastal plain is an area between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghator মাজত থাকে. So this plain extends along the coast for around 6,000 kilometers. It starts from the Gulf of Kutch in the northwest and goes southwards along the Arabian Sea. They meet at Kanyakumari. All along the coast, fishing is carried on a large scale. So the western coastal plain. So the western coastal plain is a thin strip of coastal plain between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. So the western coastal plain এটা কি হয়, a thin strip হয়, and coastal plain এটা কি হয় thin stripe, and ইটো কিহৰ মাজত থাকে Western Ghat and Arabian Sea মাজত থাকে. And it begins from Gujarat in the north and ends at Kerala in the south. ইটো start হয় গুজৰাটৰ পৰা and ক'ত শেষ হয়, end point to ক'ত হ'ব Kerala. The important seaports on the western coastal plain are Kandla, Mumbai, Mormugao, Mangalore and Kochi. There are two gulfs on the northern side of the western coastal plain. Two sides থাকে, two gulf কি হয়, the Gulf of Kambat and the Gulf of Kutch. Two gulfs on the northern side of the western coastal plain. তোমালোকক কুৱেশ্যন সুধিব পাৰে, two gulf in the western coastal plain. That time you answer that the Gulf of Kambat and Gulf of Kutch. The main rivers flowing into sea from the western coastal plain are the Tapi, Narmada, Mandovi and Juari. And western coastal plain or river বিলাক কি হ'ব, Tapi, Narmada, Mandovi and Juari. So the western coastal plain is divided into three parts. So the western coastal plain is divided into how many parts? Three parts. Okay. The northern part of the coastal called the Konkan coast. The central part is called the Kannat coast, and the southern part is referred to as Malabar coast. So three parts. First part is the northern part of the coast is called the Konkan coast. Konkan coast is situated in the northern part, and the central part is called the Kannat coast, and the southern part is referred to as Malabar coast. So Konkan coast, Kannat coast and Malabar coast. Konkan coast is very narrow and rocky. The hills go up to the sea shores in many places. Lighthouses have been built along the coast to warn ships against rock in water. Mumbai is the biggest commercial part of the Konkan coast. So Konkan coastor biggest commercial part kuntu hoy Mumbai. The coast is rich in oil deposit and many oil wells are found here. The Malabar coast has a large number of lagoons. Lagoons are small and shallow saltwater lakes or ponds that cut themselves off with one another by canal. These are used for transporting goods. These lagoons are also called backwater. So lagoons are also called backwater. The climate here is hot. Climate ki hoy? Hot hoy, and the humid throughout the year. People here grow tobacco, banana, rice, coffee, sugarcane, cloves, cashewnut and pepper. Coconut trees are found all along the Malabar coast. So Malabar coast coconut trees dekhibole poa jay. The export of fresh and dry fish is an important packaging industry. So main industry ki hoy? Dry fish industry. Now we discuss Eastern Coastal Plain. So the Eastern Coastal Plain is a wide stretch of landmass of India, which lies between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal in the east. Etu kihor pora hoy? Starting hoy Tamil Nadu in the southern pora and West Bengal in the eastoloike. It is bordered then the Western Coastal Plain. A major portion of this plain comprises of deltas. The deltas formed by the rivers Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi on the eastern coast are fertile. The Eastern Coastal Plain are divided into two main regions. The northern part between the river Mahanadi and Krishna is known as the Northern Circus. So, and the southern part between the river Krishna and Kaveri is known as the Coromandel coast. Silka Lake is an important feature along the eastern coast. Lies in the state of Orissa. It is the highest saltwater lake in India. So highest saltwater lake in India is Silka Lake. Silka Lake is the largest saltwater lake in India. Please remember and note down this, students. Okay. Now the island. In India there are two big group of islands. First one, the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. So first one to ki hobo? First of all, Andaman and Nicobar Island kot thake? Bay of Bengal. And second one, the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Island kot dekhibole pam? Arabian Sea. So first Andaman and Nicobar Island, second Lakshadweep Island. Now Andaman and Nicobar Island. There are about 572 islands in this group which form a union territory of India. All of them are not inhabited. This group of islands, it is like an arc, in which the Andaman Islands are to the north while the Nicobar Islands are to the south. They are separated by the 10-degree channel. The southern tip of this group is the Indira Point. Port Blair is the capital city. Barren Island, which has the only active volcano in India. So, Barren Island is one of the active volcano in India. Is located in the Andaman Island, and Barren Island ক'ত থাকে Andaman Island. So many years ago, when the British ruled over India, this island were called the Kalapani. So Andaman and Nicobar Island is called the Kalapani. Freedom fighters of India and outlaws were lost in a jail called Cellular Jail in Port Blair. So যিবিলাকে আমাৰ দেশৰ কাৰণে ফাইট কৰিছিলে তেবিলাক কোনটো জেলত ৰাখা হৈছিলে সেলুলাৰ জেল. So this is the picture of cellular jail. This is the picture of cellular jail, and it also situated in Port Blair. Now Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Island are near the Malabar coast of India. So Lakshadweep Island ক'ত থাকে Malabar coastৰ ওচৰত. There are about 36 island in this group. So Lakshadweep Islandত কিমানটা island থাকে 36, which only 10 are inhabited. It is the smallest union territory of India. They have a flat surface. People here are mostly farmers or fishermen. Kavaratti is the capital of this union territory. So Kavaratti is the capital of the union territory. Life in the island. So most of the island are covered with the thick forest. Island bilak kihere cover kora hoise thick forestor jorite. The people here houses built in their old and traditional way. Manu bilake ki hoy nijor tradition onukori tate bosabas kore. Life in the coastal plain. So the life of the people in the eastern and the western coastal plain depends on the climatic condition and the topographical location on that place. Both the eastern and the western coastal plain cover some part of the eastern state like Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and the western state like Goa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Now life in the eastern region. Karnataka. So Karnataka is mostly covered by thick forest. Coconut, rice, and a variety of spices are grown here. Mangalore is an important seaport along the coast. West Bengal. West Bengal lies in the eastern coastal plain. The soil of the region is very fertile. The main crops grown here are rice and jute. So West Bengal ki crops hoy mainly rice and jute. Kolkata is the capital city. There are many jute and textile mills here. Fish and rice in their staple food. So West Bengal's staple food ki hobo fish and rice. Now Odisha. It is located at the eastern coast. Puri and Bhubaneswar are the temple town of Odisha. Odisha is also famous for its handmade items. Silka Lake with its bird sanctuary is a famous tourist attraction. So Odisha is famous for Silka Lake. So Silka Lake is situated in Odisha. Now Andhra Pradesh. Rivers like Godavari and Krishna from deltas in the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh. Farming is the main occupation. So Andhra Pradeshৰ main occupation ki hobo farming. Rice is the main crops grown here. Visakhapatnam is important seaport. So West Bengal's important seaport ki hobo Visakhapatnam. It has a shipbuilding yard, an iron and steel plant, and an oil refinery. Now Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu lies in the southern most part of the Indian peninsula. Sena is the capital of Tamil Nadu. So Sena is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Rice is the main crops of this region. Tamil Nadu is home to many natural resources. The state is also home to a number of historic buildings and religious sites including Hindu temple and Tamil architecture. Historic architecture, historic hill station and multi-religious pilgrimage site. The famous Vivekanand Rocks Memorial is also situated here. So Vivekanand Rock Memorial is situated in Tamil Nadu. Now Puducherry. Puducherry lies in the southern part of Indian peninsula. It is a union territory. Puducherry was earlier under French rule. It is famous of Sri Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir. So Puducherry কিহৰ কাৰণে ফেমাস? শ্ৰী অৰবিন্দ আশ্ৰম আৰু মাতৃ মন্দিৰলৈকে. So now we discuss life in the western region. So Gujarat. Most people speak Gujarati. So Gujarati people speak Gujarati language. Men wear churidar, pajama and kurta. Women sari or lehenga. Garba is a popular folk dance of Gujarat. So mene ki pinde churidar, pajama and kurta and women sari and or lehenga. Garba is a popular folk dance. So Gujarat folk dance is Garba. Garba. So petroleum and natural gas is found in Ankleshwar. The port of Kandla is used to export and import goods. Salt is made in the coastal areas by drying sea water. Ahmedabad is the largest city and has many textile mills. Sabarmati Ashram and the home of Gandhiji for many years. So Sabarmati Ashram is the home of Gandhiji. Is situated here in Gujarat. Means Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. The Gir National Park is a home to the Asiatic lion. The people of Gujarat are mostly traders and farmers. The main crops are cotton, jowar, bajra, wheat and sugarcane. Dairy farm is popular in and around Anand. Amul industry, famous for dairy product, is situated here. Now Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is situated on the Konkan coast. So Maharashtra is situated on the Konkan coast. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. The Mumbai port is the largest seaport of India and an important center of our business and industry. Marathi and Konkani are the main language spoken here. So Maharashtra language is Marathi and Konkani. Major food, grain and fruits are grown in Maharashtra. The large deposits of petroleum have been found at the seabed near Mumbai. This region called Bombay High. Now Goa. Goa lies towards the south of the state of Maharashtra. It has many beautiful beaches. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Majority of the people are farmers and fishermen. The main crops grown here are rice, coconut, cashew and mangoes. Goa is rich in iron ore deposit. Saint Xavier's Church, Mahalakshmi Temple and Fort Aguada are famous tourist places. Now Kerala. Kerala is in the extreme south of the Malabar coast. The hilly areas of Kerala have major plantation of tea, cardamom, coffee, rubber and other spices. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. Kerala is the most literate state of India. So India's ভিতৰত literate state কি হ'ব? Kerala. Please remember, okay? So Malayalam and English are the main languages. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the main classical dance form. Onam is a popular harvest festival. Snack boat races are held during Onam. So now our discussion is finished. So today all of you try to read these pages and try to understand all these points. underline points. Okay, students. So through the upcoming class, I will give all the question and answers part. Till then, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.